the BBC presents Private Dreams and Public Nightmares, a radiophonic poem by Frederick Bradnam.
You take a sound, any sound, record it, and then change its nature by a multiplicity of operations. You record it at different speeds, you play it backwards, you add it to itself over and over again. You adjust filters, echoes, acoustic qualities, you combine segments of magnetic tape. By these means and many others, you can create sounds which no one has ever heard before. By these means and many others, you can create sounds which no one has ever heard before. Sounds which have an indefinable and unique quality of their own. You can compose a vast and subtle symphony. Noise, pin dropping. In fact, one of the most vibrant and elemental sounding noises in tonight's program. It's a sort of modern magic. Many of you may be familiar with it. They've been exploiting it on the continent for years. But strangely enough, we've held aloof, partly through distrust. Is it simply a new toy? Partly through complacency, ignorance too. We're saying at last that we think there's something in it. But we aren't calling it musique concrète. In fact, we've decided not to use the word music at all.